Making the most of our resources is more critical than ever. For over 140 years, Alfa Laval has enabled the industries that deliver our food, medicine, clean water, and more. Clariot is the next step in this legacy. Clariot is an industry-intelligent condition monitoring solution, transforming maintenance from proactive to predictive. Powered by cutting-edge AI and over a century of industry expertise, Clariot pinpoints and helps prevent machine failures before they happen. Moving from insight to foresight to eliminate wasted time and product and turn maintenance into your competitive advantage. Clariot's advanced sensors, tailored for pumps, agitators, and other rotating equipment, deliver unprecedented visibility into machine health, process, and installation-related issues. Combined with AI-based analytics, Clariot identifies issues and equips your team with actionable guidance to keep operations running smoothly. Engineered for precision and designed to deliver confidence on the factory floor, Clariot unlocks the potential of your people and your resources. Every single drop counts with Clariot.